Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Inventor. In this video, you'll learn how to use Extrude and hole features. So open the Inventor and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. Here will be the midpoint. So we'll create this sketch here. And then we will extrude this 25 millimeters, okay? So open the Inventor. Go to Start 2D Sketch and select the right plane. Select line or press letter L on the keyboard to activate the line. Click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 10 millimeters. Make the sketch, we'll put all the dimensions later, okay? Okay. Now go to constraint, select the equal, select this line and this one, select this line and this one. Okay. Go to dimension. This line has 30 millimeters. And here has 10 millimeters. This one has 20 millimeters. And this one has 15 millimeters. And here we have 10 millimeters here, okay? We made this. Finish this sketch. Go to Extrude. The profile is this one. The direction, select symmetric. And the distance here will be 25 millimeters. And press OK. We made this. Okay. Now we need to create this hole here. This circle has 10 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of this circle and this edge here is 20 millimeters. And we know that it is in the center of this line. It is vertical with the midpoint, okay? So let's create this. Select the hole and select this face here. The hole type, select a simple hole. The termination here, select through all. The diameter, 10 millimeters. And select it. Now let's add some reference here. So click here on this edge. The distance here is 25/2. Okay. Now select this edge here. The distance here is 20 millimeters. And press OK. We made this. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.